Hey there, it's Michelle, the stamp broker, and I am here today to help Sara at SaraScraps celebrate 7,000 subscribers. I'm so excited for her. She told us to use some of our favorite things to scrapbook something of our favorite things. And so I pulled out this photo of Max, and he's just being a sweetheart taking a nap here on the couch. And I'm trying to work through 2014 photos, and this is from January of 2014, January 2nd of 2014. So I'm also kind of playing May I Scrapbook You or Scraplift You, and kind of off the board because I got this off of Connie Mackay Davis, her Pinterest board, and I'm pretty sure she created it from the comments on her post. So I thought it was the perfect layout to scrap lift. It's got a horizontal photo, one photo, and just a good layout. And I feel like it probably is the scrapbook generation layout. So because he's lying on a yellow pillow, I thought I would pull out my Simple Stories So Happy Together. I recently used it, and I think probably in my last video, which was a few weeks ago. I am so behind. I've been working on a huge project for Keep It Simple, and it is, let's just say it's a big project, but I am seeing the end, and can't wait for y'all to see it next year. But yeah, it's a lot of work. So in addition to like my monthly commitments. So all I have is a 6x8, and if you look at this sketch, this is probably, this background paper is probably bigger than 6x8, or it might be a 6x8. Oh, I know what it is. It is a 6x8. But my paper, I wanted to put the houses in the background, and it's the wrong orientation. So it would work if I had it this way. And then I was thinking of double matting this photo, so then it would work. But, so what I'm going to do is, because it has these strips, I'm going to piece it behind there, and then you'll never know. Now, because I never had, well, I do have 2 pieces of 12 by 12 paper of this collection, and that's all I have, and I have it kind of reserved for another layout I have in mind. So all I have are 6x8. So I pulled out some cardstock from my stash. I believe this is Papaya, this is Harbor, and then I pulled out some Sage. Peach would be in here, and anyway, if you're an old close to my heart person. And then I only have the Simple Stories journal bits, and then I have a sticker sheet and the sticker book, mini sticker tablet, and that's all I have. So I went ahead with my dies. I cut a bunch of flowers out of some of the paper from So Happy Together, and also some of my cardstock. And then let's see, what else have I done? I'm behind on this video, so I'm not going to make it a true process video. I cut out Sweet out of Papaya with an old die from Peachy Cheap, and then Memories is from Hip Kit. This is more of a mint, and then this side is the perfect color. It's a sagey green. So I have Sweet Memories. I feel like I need some hearts somewhere on this layout, and what else? Oh, So Sara is all about rediscovering your stash, right? So I pulled out some really old brads and these little metal kind of coin things that they would work. I have them in these colors. I think they were sorbet, and no, this pink color won't match. That's a tulip. And then I thought I had a yellow one. Maybe I don't. Pull those out. And then I have some metal photo corners. And then I have metal brads. And what made me pull out the brads is, and I even have some corduroy brads. What made me pull out the brads is because these flowers I cut, I don't have that many flower dies. Either that or I can't find them. But they have a hole in the middle, right? So I thought, why not put brads in them? All right, so that is true rediscovering your stash, right? Now, what I haven't decided is the color of my background paper. I can't decide on white. I can't decide on white, maybe and sapphire. It's not sapphire, Harbor. And this is what I originally had, was papaya and sapphire. It's not sapphire. Hello. Harbor. I'm treating it like a navy because I don't have a navy that is as dark as in here. So what I may do, since I can't decide, is I may put this together and then decide on the background. So I will come back after I've made some progress and show you where I am. Okay, so I've gotten this far. I just pieced it all together behind it, and I pieced this together, and I realized I really like this pattern. I could have cut some of the flowers out of it, but that's okay. So now I'm just going to sort my flowers. Let's see, I have large, medium, and small, medium, small, small. And I'm sorry, I don't know where I got this die. This one right here is from some kind of Sizzix flower die set that I cannot figure out. There's so many little pieces. I don't get it. So what my thought was is I'd have two large flowers, and this has kind of a diagonal design. So since this is already here, we'll put this one here and this one here. And then, let's see. I like this text one. And then perhaps a yellow. No, I think I like this, and perhaps this one. I don't know. And then over here, let's see. We already have a text. We don't have a yellow yet, and then we don't have a green. A green one. Then we have some more. We could do, let's see, a yellow and this peachy color could be layered here. Like the green though. I refuse to cut more flowers. I was cutting stars for another layout, and I just cut and I cut and I cut, so I'd have lots of options with different sizes and different colors. And I have so many stars left over, it's crazy. So I don't want another one this color. How about yellow and a yellow? Oh, I already have that. Already have that. These two. That. And I don't even know if I want to. I don't even know. And then I have this. I don't want to cover up all of my. I can put it kind of like here. Sweet. Could put it there, and then instead of a diagonal we've got more of a three clusters. Okay, let me fiddle with this and I'll be back. Okay. So since I'm kind of on a time crunch, okay, not kinda, I am. I'm going to call this layout good. It's not actually glued down here, but it is as complete as it's going to be for the video. I will post some photos in Sara's group, Rediscover Your Stash, and also on my Facebook page, but I'll, so go and look so you can see how I ended up finishing it. What background, did I add some enamel dots, where did I add my journaling, that kind of thing. All right, and I think bending these flowers helped make them, just gave them a lot more dimension. They're not staying bent, because I had these all bent too, so I'm not quite sure. I may have to glue them, put a little bit of foam tape under them. But this is just one of my favorite photos of my Max. He has left us. He crossed the Rainbow Bridge in December of 2019. And I have another dog now named Finley, but Max, oh, he had my heart. He had my heart. So, thank you for stopping by. Please check out everybody listed down below who is also helping Sara celebrate, and I hope you have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.